Welcome back, everybody, to Crypto Traders Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about XRP and XLM, why we are bullish on them, and what you need to know. Let's go with XRP first. JOMO.
What's up, everybody? We're talking about XRP and XLM. You know, both coins are kind of a brother and sister. We're going to talk about Big Daddy Brother, right? Big Daddy Brother being XRP. We all know why it exploded. Everyone knows about, the lawsuit it had and supposedly won and against the SEC and everything. So first of all, we are happy about it. Second of all, we want to make more money on it. So first trade was already in. If you bought above the 60, for instance, or on the news, boom, you nail it 100% in a day. Or as CM likes to say, boom, 100% in a day. CM, that's a reference for you. But what's happening right now is that it's building, right? After 100% move in one day, you need to digest. You need profit taking. You need people to start to, combat bears, bulls, right? Go. What's the correct price for XRP? It's a fight right now. It's a fight. And you know what? A fight is good. Fights are always good because it gives time for traders like us to look at the charts, to look at the pattern, to look at the supply and demand, and to start visualizing what might happen. Look, the good news is that after this 100% move in a day, that XRP gave back less than 30%. Now, for me, when a coin in crypto makes 100% move and then gives back less than 30%, that's an A-OK sign. Usually, if you will take a look at other coins, and there are huge, many examples of it, coins make 100%, 200% in a day, they give it all back the next day, right? That's BS. That's what you want to avoid. But a coin like XRP, where you gave only 30% back, that's a good sign. Now, if people know about William O'Neill, me and CM, we talk about William O'Neill many times because he is one of the goats of trading. He talks about a high tide flag, all right? What is a high tide flag? CM already knows. It's a move of at least 100%, right? In stocks, it's in less than 8 weeks, but crypto moves much faster. So we don't talk about the same movement of time, but we made it in a day. That's why crypto is amazing. And then sideways consolidation of around 10 to 14 days or more, okay? But you need to give back less than 30%, right? And this is exactly what's happening right now in XRP. We are giving back less than 30% of the move. We're building sideways as long as we now contracting volatility just a little bit more, right? Just like squeezing the towel a little bit more, squeezing those sellers a little bit more out, then we'll be primed to do what CM does right now and probably break out to new highs above $1. This is what I need to do to see in my eyes to get in really deep, really big on a trade on XRP. What do you think, CM?
Bro, absolutely. I'm waiting for it to print the right side of the box, or maybe it's going to do like more sideways. Maybe it's going to be longer because that's a big move. But still, if it can hold, assuming it's holding above the 65 or the 60 mark and holding, and then start squeezing to the upper 80s, it's going to provide a breakout trade setup that even a blind horse can take and make a fortune. But the reason why people will not make a fortune is because they will not take profits on the pump. Okay, so you gotta take the profit on the pump, because that's why pumps are created for, to take profits. That's it, man.
Like just take profits into strength. Take profits into strength. Look, many people in our communities, they came to us because they made money. They made money when prices move up, but then gave it all back when price went down. And we understand, Sam, we made those mistakes in the past. So guys, take profits into strength, not into weakness. That's why me and CM, we're so good at it. That's why we're so good at trading. Now, what's the good thing about XRP? It doesn't move alone. It usually moves with XLM. And that's the next coin we're going to talk about. Now, for me, I like XLM only because it moves with XRP. XLM, from sense years. This is a trade that I have known since 2017. XLM always moves after XRP, all right? Always. It's a lead lag kind of trade. Now, you know what happened? Something happened on XLM that made another kind of trade from the lows, all right? So you had this small pattern, a cheat pattern that exploded that didn't happen for XRP too much. And you can explain it because people were lagging into it. And then when they came in, it exploded a little bit in the price. But again, very much same thing as the XRP. Huge move up, 100% in a day or so. Then it gave back. This gave back more than XRP, which shows a little bit more sign of weakness in my eyes. The way I trade, I view XRP as stronger, okay? But XLM, if you mix XRP, all right, don't miss XLM. And if you want to really, make good money, just go on both. You can trade both or trade the first one that breaks out. Doesn't matter. Usually it's going to be XRP. But if XLM for some reason breaks out first, boom, I'm going to take XLM first. That's for me is what I want to do in my strategy. What do you think, CM?
Man, absolutely. You're right. Actually, XRP, obviously, it's what moved XLM from the get-go. But here, man, if you open the XRP chart, just like you said, XLM, obviously, it bring back more because it's more of a volatile and the market cap is much smaller, but it's offer much more better opportunities to buy for traders. If you can enter here with a small stop, you could nail a very nice profit. We nailed it in the community. We nailed it like a almost 30% move here on this candle, and I actually like the way it's setting up. If it can, build just like what we're looking for XRP, so this thing will probably pump harder than XRP because it's much.
There is a chance, yeah.
It's much smaller, and like you said, it's much less. It's much more underfollowed. So the big dogs will inject their money here. Obviously, they're gonna pump XRP too, but my 2 cents, it's going to pump much more on the leg up if it can build like that, a nice triangle like that.
Yeah.
XLM looking super sexy.
Something else to note as well, CM. I want our reviewers to understand how we look at things, and I want people to look at the volume. You moved to the weekly, but look at the volume on the weekly. It's huge, all right? Huge volume in the weekly. We haven't had this type of volume since the bull market of 2021, all right? Big volume for XLM. Now, if you go one second again to the daily, CM, I just want to note something that people need to understand when they look and view charts. You have big volume in, all right? Volume in means volume that pushes the price up. Big volume in, green candles, and lower volume out, meaning that when we give back those red candles, they are smaller than the volume that is buying. All right, really important to understand this nuance because many people don't look at volume. For me, volume is one of the main indicators to understand, is this for real? Is it not for real? Is it prime for continuation or not? And one of the signs is dry volume and low volume when we give some back, right? On the red candles, low volume is a very good thing. Why? Because that means you have less and less sellers stepping into the market. And once that volume dries up, we are primed for buyers to move in and just push the price up fast. That's one of the main characteristics of a big breakout, CM. What do you think?
Man, you nailed it. It's super pretty here on the XLM chart. And you can see the smart money is buying. And most people don't even look on charts. So you're saying most people don't look on charts. So obviously they're not gonna know nothing about volume. Okay, this is something very important for a trader and an investor, man, and a hodler. You gotta know volume. You gotta know charts.
For sure.
Subscribe to this channel. We teach you everything. We do a podcast on trading, on risk management, on all kinds of subjects. We give you live example from the market, man. Like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel. And JOMO, tell us about your trading group. Join JOMO trading group, links in the description.
Hey, for sure. Hey, look, Click on the link in the description of this video, get into our Patreon page and come to the community. You won't miss out. You don't want to miss out on something. Look, I know some people, you don't have time. You have a job, you have a wife, you have a husband, you have many things.
No time.
No, it's okay. You look, I understand. I will do the heavy lifting. I will do the heavy lifting. I'm a professional trader. I do this 24/7. I love the markets. It's my vocation. It's my passion. You don't have time? Get into the community. I will tell you when to execute trades, when to take profits, when to be stopped out, how to think like a trader, all right? How to understand the principles of trading. You will become a trader in a snap, much faster than just watching YouTubes of other people that are trying to hodl all the way up while losing money on having opportunity cost and opportunity loss on BS things. For $20 a month, CM, you know what? Don't eat at McDonald's. Come join the community and I will teach you how to fish. And while I teach you how to fish, I'm going to give you fish on a platter, just on the grill with mayonnaise on top or whatever you like as, you know, as a side dish as well. Just join the community and you won't be disappointed, CM. That's it.
Ciao, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.